Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Ammonite HD umbilical cable. So this is about 1.2 meters long, so you've got plenty of length to sort of strap the main sort of battery pack on your back and then have this leading up to your hand. This is the universal fitting, and it's a screw thread as well with a double O-ring seal on both sides. So that ensures that it's a real sort of airtight fixture. You have actual sort of metal anodized aluminium ends to it with a real nice sort of knurling as well, so you can really screw that up and make sure that it's nice and tight. You've got male and female ends to it, so and this should fit all of the Ammonite sort of umbilical torch range. The HD cable just means that it's nice and tough, so even if it scrapes against some rocks or some metal, it's not going to get damaged. It's a pretty tough cable in that, and of course you have these protectors at the end, so it's not going to kink too much at either end. So all in all, a very tough little cable, very handy for your umbilical to connect the battery to the head. And this is the Ammonite HD umbilical cable. Thanks for watching. Safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.